So I think my volume, I think you are here, I think so. So you're able to hear my voice, right? Clearly? Yeah, correct. So I think it's perfect. So hi guys. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about the most important topic, that is in differential equation integrating factor. Okay. So the basic criteria for doing this thing is we have to know integration by parts and some simple differential equations. That's all. So I'll share the PDF. I think it will be visible shortly. Yeah. See, you can see here, we have to follow three simple steps. The first step should be seeing the question very carefully. Okay, see the question very, very carefully. And see the format is dy by dx plus py is equal to q. See this format first. If it is not in this format, we have to bring it to the format. Second step is integrating factor. IF is equal to e power integral p dot dx. Not e power p dot dx, e power integral p dot dx. I'll write down here. E power integral p dot dx. This is my x. This is my second step. E power integral p dot dx. This is for this only. This is my second step. The first step should be what? Dy by dx plus py is equal to q. This is my first step. Second step should be e integral p dot dx. Third step should be what? Y dot integrating factor is equal to integral of q dot integrating factor, if. Okay, this is my third step. So let's see one question. Simple algorithm we have to follow. That's it. If you follow the steps properly, we will get the answer very fast. And for the board exam point of view, especially for the PU board exam point of view, either we will get the example questions, either the example questions or the first 5 questions from the exercise. Okay, and this will be for 5 marker. So let's see the first question. Dy by dx minus py is equal to cos x. Correct? So we know the form is what? Dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Correct? And where? What is my p here? Minus 1. Because it is what? 1y here. I'll just write it down here. It is 1. Minus 1y. Correct? I'll just clear it. And what is my q? Cos x. My q is my cos x. This is my p. P is my minus 1 and q is my cos x. And what is my integrating factor formula? IF is equal to E integral P dot dx. Because this I need for my third step. Third step is what? Y dot integrating factor. So I should know what is integrating factor. It's equal to integral of Q dot integrating factor. So for that reason, I'm finding my integrating factor. So IF is the integral of P dot dx. Integral of P dot dx. My P here is minus 1. So I'll be getting e power minus x. Because integral of 1 dot dx is what? X. Integral dx is equal to x. So minus 1 is minus x. E power minus x, I got it. So up to this, I think you're clear. The next thing is, let's close it. Yeah. Yes. So as I told you, my next step is what? Y dot integrating factor, right? Y dot if. My integrating factor is what? E power minus x. Y dot integrating factor is equal to integral of what? Integrating factor into q. Q already is my cos x. Q already is my cos x. Correct? So integrating factor into q or q dot if. So cos x into e power minus x. So I have to do what? By parts here. By parts. So first function into integral of second function minus integral of d by dx of first function into integral of second function. And then once we integrate, we will get the answer for this. Okay. Let me clear the drawings. And once you do all the integration, we are again getting in what format? We are getting something of again sin x into e power minus x. Again, we have to do integration by parts. And whenever you get this q.if, where is my q? Yeah. So this e power minus ix, I have to do, this is my q.if. This is my integrating factor, and this is my q. Take it as I. Why? In the sense, I is equal to, I'll be doing this parts, right? This is my I. Correct? Again, if you're doing this, I'll be getting in terms of what? E power minus x cos x. That I can take it as what? I only. So this minus I will come this side and it will become 2i. So I'll show you how it is coming. Because only once you do, then only you'll be able to get it. Other than that, we won't be able to get it. So be very thorough with the integration by parts, you will be able to understand what I'm trying to tell. Or else, no. Yeah. So this is what I told you. I think you can see here clearly. This cos x e power minus x is my I, minus I. This minus I will come this side, so it will become 2i. So I is equal to what? This by 2. That's all. Then this thing we have to substitute what? In the third step, y dot if, that is y dot e power minus x is equal to this answer plus c. That's all. This is my final answer. So in this step, you can stop. Okay, this step you can stop it. And the second question here, x dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square. See, again, we have to get our equation as what? Dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So here x is there, right? That should not be there in the question. So I have to do everything by what? X. Divide throughout by x. Then I will be getting this equation. Now my p will be 2 by x. And q will be x. Q will be x respectively. Clear? Then same thing. Integrating factor is equal to 2 by x. So what is integral of 1 by x? Log x. E power 2 log x. Or this can be written as log x square. In e power log of anything. If e power log 2 is what? 2. E power log x square is what? X square. Correct? So if you're understanding 2 log x is what? Basically 2 logs can be written as what? Log x the whole square. That's all. Log x the whole square. A power x, log a power x is x log a. Okay. So coming to that, we'll be getting x square. Same thing, y dot if is equal to what? Integral of q dot if. My q is x. This is my q. And if is x square. So integral of x cube is x power 4 by 4. And then you divide throughout by x square. That's all. Simple as that. Don't do much complication. It's very simple. And but it's a 5-marker question, which we can omit in our board exam because there are much good options in that. And again, coming to this, the exercise questions, you have to do the first 5 questions. The first 5 questions are really important and they can ask any of these first 5 for the board. Okay, fine. Any of the first 5 or the examples for the board. So you have to try it and then only you'll come to know whether doubts are there or not. That's it. So thank you all. So I think everyone can exit the meeting. Thanks. Thanks everyone.